What is USDS-Margined Battle? USDS-Margined Battle is a new online battle function for users to predict price movements and win points. You can compete against other users by predicting the top crypto gainers or losers in a 1-minute session. Regardless of whether you win or lose, you can earn points in each battle. How to participate in USDS-Margined Battle? Log into your Binance account and click Derivatives, Battle, USDS-Margined Battle. Click Get Started to begin. If you are new to futures, you need to open a futures account and transfer assets to your USDS-Margined Futures wallet. Navigate to the box on the right and choose a battle pair that is likely to produce the largest price movement in 1-minute battle. To open a position, fund it with a USD-pegged stablecoin, such as USDT. Select the desired contract size from 250 USDT, 1000 USDT, 5000 USDT, or click More for more options. Please note that battles only support isolated mode with a fixed 50 times leverage. The system will automatically calculate the collateral. Confirm the order amount. Every single trade will be placed as a market order. If you expect the price of your chosen pair to rise during the battle time, click Long to start the battle. Conversely, you expect it to fall, click Short. Please ensure that you have no open positions or pending orders of the same pair before the battle begins. Otherwise, you won't be able to join. How to win a battle? The system will automatically assign you an opponent of the same contract size. You will see a 1-minute countdown on the screen. Every battle lasts 1 minute. An End Battle button will appear 10 seconds after the battle begins. You can click it to end the battle manually, or wait for it to end automatically after 1 minute. After 1 minute, the system will automatically end the battle. You will see the battle result, your points gained, and the profit and loss. In each battle, you can gain points regardless of winning or losing. Additionally, you will receive a badge based on the points you earned. Please note that your badge and points are not shareable with your coin margined battle. Put your trading skills to the test and join the USDS Margined Battle now.